Welcome to Universal, one of the engineering wonders of the world. This is where kids' fantasies and imagination come to life with wild rides and fictional characters. Roller coasters are among the biggest attractions at any amusement park. Everyone loves seeing these magical structures, but few consider the amount of engineering that goes into each and every one of them. Engineers across many disciplines, like mechanical, electrical, computer, and civil, must work together to make these rides become a reality. It all begins in the define part of Dr. Pi, where civil engineers will define where the ride will go and what the size, weight, and material constraints are. A crucial part is that they must test the ground and survey the land to see what kind of load can safely be placed on the designated area. The engineers then represent their ideas and showcase what their needs and constraints are. The corporate board then defines a budget for their proposed concept, giving yet another constraint to the engineers.
Various engineering disciplines go into the planning of a roller coaster. Mechanical engineers create a 3D rendering of the coaster. Using software and calculations, they will evaluate the structural integrity of the roller coaster in the designated shape that they desire. If there are any incurring safety problems, then the engineers will have to adjust it to make it safe to build. This is also when the mechanical engineers will work on how to make this roller coaster run properly. They will create and develop motors and other equipment necessary to making the coaster function. Electrical engineers will have to find a way to provide power to the various parts of the roller coaster. It is a significant role, as the ride must stay consistently powered throughout its entirety. However, it also must not have any showing electrical equipment for aesthetics. Computer engineers will work on the computer that will house the code to control the ride mechanics and any other animatronics in the ride. Computer science engineers will create the code for these computers.
After the ride has been designed and built, the engineers will run hundreds of tests evaluating the safety of the ride before allowing parkgoers on the ride. Computer simulations of the ride will be run with various masses to account for the numerous sizes of passengers. Each day, they will run empty cart tests before running the ride with torso mannequins, which test the stability of the restraints. They will also require ride operators to test various seats on the car every day before allowing parkgoers to ride the coaster. Through the engineering process, marvelous creations like Revenge of the Mummy, Escape from Gringotts, and Woody Woodpecker's Nut House coaster can come to life. Engineers are constantly working to make the parks more thrilling and more safe. Within the next 5 years, there will be new rides including a newer Dragon Challenge and Fast and Furious ride. There will also be entirely new parks in Beijing, Moscow, and Huixiong, which will be safer but also less costly thanks to the evaluation of past rides from engineers.